to Ria's World of Ideas. Today's video is going to be a plan with me video with Dollar Tree planner stickers. I have been hauling to you guys in my Dollar Tree hauls all the new planner stickers that Dollar Tree has been bringing out, and they really have been some good ones. And in the comments area and in the message area, a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a plan with me and to kind of show you guys how I use my the planner stickers in my planner. So that's what I'm going to do with you today, is to share with you guys how I use the Dollar Tree planner stickers to plan out my week this week. Now, if you guys didn't know, the planner that I use is the Mom on the Go planner, and I do have a video, a review on it, and I'll put the link in a card up here and also the description box below on my review of this planner. Guys, I love this planner. If you guys are already seen that video, you guys already know. This is my second planner that I've ordered from them. I had one last year and I ordered this one for this year. I really love this planner because even if you're not into stickers, this planner has everything so planned out for you that you can just use pens to basically plan out your week or plan out your month, and you'll still stay organized even without the stickers. But I got into having stickers because it's something about using stickers. It just motivates you to want to get organized and to plan out your week and actually stay on track. It's something about these stickers that make, you know, your week look pretty and your month look pretty, and even when you plan out your budget plan or like my meal plan area, it just makes everything look so nice that makes you want to stay on track. It makes you motivated to stay on track. So today I'm going to share with you guys kind of how I planned out my week. I already filled it out. I didn't want to kind of record you guys seeing me go through the process of trying to decide what stickers I'm going to use, because I kind of am a perfectionist, so it takes me a while to decide which stickers I'm going to use this week and how I'm going to plan out my actual week, because I like it to look nice and I only want to do it one time. So I've already planned it out for you guys, but I am going to show you in the video, talk to you step by step about each each sticker that I use, what sheet that it comes from, so in case you guys see these sheets in Dollar Tree, you guys know where the sticker came from, so you guys can be on the lookout for it, and kind of show you how I use the stickers to plan out my week in my weekly spread. So if you would like to see how I use the Dollar Tree stickers to plan out my week and stay organized, then stay tuned to this video. Okay, so this is how I have my planner planned for this week, and I've already kind of shared with you guys before kind of how I categorize my planner when I share with you guys my planner review on this planner. But like I said, in this video I just want to share with you guys how I use the stickers, and it's very minimal. I'm not too much into making it all creative with stickers because I'm not creative like you see on those planner videos, but I do like using the stickers to motivate me for the week and kind of make it a little bit pretty. But you can still see that even with the minimal list of stickers of the Dollar Tree stickers, it still makes it very organized to look at and keeps me on track. And so I just wanted to share with you guys how I use them. Now, the ones that I'll be using that I used for this week were the ones that I've hauled to you guys before recently in Dollar Tree, my Dollar Tree hauls, which is the sticker sheet that looks like this one, and remember they came two to a sheet. These two right here, this it looked like this in the front and this in the back. This one, I believe, did I just show you that? No, it looks like this in the front and this in the back. And my favorite one, which was this one, hold up, I have some extras. This one that looks like this in the front, and then this in the back as well. So I used these basically to use most of my this past month to plan in my planner to motivate me. But also I did use these sticker books that I've hauled to you guys before. They're from Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them back in a while, but I know that they always bring things back. And this one is from the what brand is this? Let's Planner brand, and I love these. I stocked up on these as well when they came out. So some of the stickers that I use are from this sticker book as well. And then I also used this other little sticker booklet that I hauled to you guys a while back that I have not seen back, and I want them to bring it back. And it's these planner stickers right here, and it's from the brand, it just says planner stickers. I don't see no brand in it, but I love these, and I haven't seen these in a while. They have all the colors that I like, and gold, and that's pastel colors. I love using this one, and I can't wait till they bring these back as well. So I use some of these in this week's plan as well. So to lay out, I always like to put something here and here to kind of motivate me for the week. So this week I really want to get organized because I have been slacking, I've been sick lately, I've been tired from work, and I really need to get organized. So that was my motivation for this week, was to get organized. And I actually got it from, I believe, this one right here. I got the sticker in here from the one that has the unicorns in the front. Also, I wanted to put choose joy, to tell me to choose joy this week, because I was letting a lot of things get to me these past couple weeks, and so I wanted to put, you know, choose joy to make things, you know, just to remind me to choose joy. And I got it from this sticker book as well. So in here, like I showed you guys before, I like to write out the things that I like to check throughout the week, which is my workout, my morning routine, my afternoon routine, and my night routine. I just put chore because to write routine is just so much, but sometimes I put chore, sometimes I put routine. Over here, I like to write my goals and ideas, and it's always my ideas. My ideas that I write for the week are basically my video ideas for you guys, and that's why I loved this planner sticker, because I told you guys before, this one had a whole bunch of goals and ideas stickers, and that's what I wanted to do, to spread out this section right here. Because let me show you like a blank part of how it would look before. If you guys have not seen my planner video, go check that out. But this is how it looks, just plain without anything. It just has this grid here. So I like to put my goals up here and my ideas. I like to have at least 4 videos for the week, because I would like to give you guys 3 videos a week. It never happens that way, but I would like to have at least 3 or 4. That's my goal, and hopefully I'll have it by the summer. But I always do my videos down here and my goals for the week, stuff that I want to do around the house, spend time with my family. And then I'll put YouTube here, to do and to be, places I need to be. So here, as you can see, for YouTube, I didn't put any stickers. I'm still looking for like some video stickers or some type of stickers that have to do with YouTube. So if you guys know of any affordable stickers that have to do with YouTube, let me know. But for here, I like to put get it done, because this is my to-do list, and there's a lot of things I always have to do every day. And so I like to write get it done and put the things that I need to list there. And I got it from this sticker book right here, the get it done sticker. Also, I had to pay the electricity bill on Monday, and also the water bill. And so I use this pay bill sticker, which on the new recent stickers that I shared with you guys, it has this one. On this set, it has where it has pay. So you can use that one. Or you can use the one that I used, and which was this one. It's on this sticker book where it says pay bill. I basically whited out the number of whatever the amount is, because I just wanted to write what I had to pay. So here I put a family game night sticker, because I'm going to do some the Dollar Tree board games that I told you I was going to review for you guys. I also put Hello Weekend right here, the stickers. It's also from the ones I just shared with you guys. School's out, practice, practice. I love these little appointment stickers that come from this sticker pad right here. I just love it because with the appointments, you can basically use it for any appointment, hair appointment, dental appointment, medical appointment, nail appointment, even though I do have one for the nails, which is this one. And I love it as well for my nail appointments. I also, from this one, I have the shop that I use, the shopping sticker that I use. I always like to shop on Wednesdays, because that's when my daughter has practice. She has practice on Wednesdays and Fridays. So I like to shop that day and then have family time that day. So I put the little shopping cart there. I put coffee first, because you know Mondays are always a drag, and so you need to have some motivation on Monday. And I like to write inspirational things on the Sunday to be places, because it says you got this. Just basically to let me know for the week. The one thing I did like about these stickers that I shared with you guys on this one pack, let me find it. If I can find the one that had the plain stickers. I told you guys that over here I like to write my budget. And on this one, which I only found one pack of this, which it was like a 2-sheet, but I only found 1 pack of it, which I want to find more. I love this one because it had a blank right here. It had a label with a blank, which I like to put up top here and put my budget, so I can keep track of my weekly budget. And I always budget my groceries and others is basically like clothing or home decor. I budget $100 that I only spend on groceries a week, and $100 that I would only spend on like clothing or decor, which I break up the clothing between me and my daughters, and decor for the house or any DIY projects or things that I would like to do. I just try to spend only $100 on that. And so I keep track right here of the different, just to stay on budget of every time when I spend something, I write it in here. And I love the fact that originally on here in this box, let me show you, it has remember this on it. So I whited that out and I put the sticker over here, and I just basically made it into what I wanted it to be. And so over here in this section, as you can see on this blank section, is just blank as well. And I like to put chores. I always like to do a weekly zone chore that I will concentrate on Saturday or anytime I have time that week. I try to break up my house into zones, so I'm not trying to clean so much on spring break or so much on summer break. I can, you know, focus on my family. So I try to do all those big zones and break them down throughout the year on a Saturday, and I will put like that chore there so I can do it on a Saturday. So this Saturday, hopefully I get to it, I want to wipe out the kitchen cabinets inside and out and wipe down the pantry doors and knock that out. And I'll probably do a video for you guys because I'm going to share with you guys a Grove Collaborative product that I bought that I love. It's like a degreaser and it works wonderful. So that's going to be a clean with me video for you guys, and I'm going to share with you guys the spray that I like. And again, you guys know that I always write my menus down here of the week. Breakfast is in blue, lunch is in green, and dinners are in red. And then usually I write my workouts in purple, but I knew I wasn't going to work out this week because it's been a busy week. So, but I'm probably not going to get to work out. Hopefully I will, but I didn't want to write nothing and then get disappointed. So, but that's how I used my stickers this week to basically keep me organized. I haven't wrote down my goals yet of what I want to do this week because we do have Friday off. And so I have a lot of things I want to do with the family because I want to spend a lot more time with my family lately. We've been so busy with, you know, practices and stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But that's how I use the stickers. I love how it is. It's not really, I know it's not like glamorous like you would see in the planner, the most planner videos where they go really crazy with the stickers and they make all these beautiful designs. I don't have time for that, and I really don't have like the mind or the artsiness to do that. But I love to use the stickers to motivate me because to me this looks pretty, and it motivates me like, okay, I got to do the laundry that day, I need to pay a bill, get it done. You know, inspirational quotes, little stickers like this that I get from the Dollar Tree just makes planning in my planner fun. It makes me want to stay more on track. So I just wanted to share with you guys how I use the planner stickers, the Dollar Tree planner stickers for this week, for my week this week. So that is how I use the Dollar Tree planner stickers to plan out my week so that I can stay organized and stay on track this week. You guys really don't have to spend a lot of money to plan out in your planner and have planner stickers. I know when I first wanted to get into planner stickers, I really wasn't a fan of it because, for one, I felt like using stickers to plan out your week, it was kind of a waste of money because it's like, okay, you're just doing it for a week and it's like wasting stickers, you're wasting money. But like I said, it's something about using the stickers and making everything look so beautiful in your planner. It makes you want to keep looking at it and looking back to it, referring back to it to stay on track with your to-do list, with bills coming up and appointments and everything. It just makes everything look so nice to make you want to stay on track. But I was discouraged because when I did start getting into planner stickers, they were very expensive. The ones that you buy at Joann's and Michael's, they are so expensive. They're like $19.99 for like a booklet, or even $16.99. And yes, you can get a half off coupon, but that still makes them $9.99 for a booklet. And at Dollar Tree, you can find so many planner stickers that look just like the ones at Joann's, just like the one at Michael's, for $1. And you get, yes, you only get like 2 sheets maybe, or when you get the books, you get like, I think about 5 or 6 sheets. But it still averages out to be less than what you would get in the books. And I actually like these planner stickers better the way that they, the stickers themselves, because they have kind of like a cover to them. Like I bought some from Hobby Lobby and it was the Happy Planner stickers, and they kind of had like this paper effect to it, which people might like, but to me it made it more flimsy. These actually have like that shiny cover to it, so it's like durable. Once you put it in your planner, it sticks in there and it's, you know, won't rub off, or it won't, it's a little bit more durable, I feel. And so I just don't think that you have to spend so much to plan, because like I said, you're only planning for the week. But then again, it's nice to know the Dollar Tree has these that look just like the ones at Michael's, just like the one at Hobby Lobby, just like the one at Joann's, for way less. So don't feel like you have to spend a lot of money on stickers, guys. You really don't. Dollar Tree has really been stepping up their games and keeps bringing, every week they keep bringing more and more planner stickers out and more planner accessories out. So keep a lookout for those planner stickers at Dollar Tree if you want to get into using them for your planner. And I hope I motivated you guys with this video. I hope this video motivated you guys to go write in your planner, go get a planner, go write out your to-do list, plan out your week. Even if you're looking at this video in the middle of the week, or even if you're looking at this video and it's Friday and you only have 2 more days, you can start writing in your planners and still be motivated to do it, because You got to start somewhere. You don't only have to start on Sunday or only start on Monday. Even if it's the end of the week, start somewhere, and it's okay, because it doesn't matter where you start as long as you stay on track and you have a plan and you have a to-do list, and then the next week you can start at the beginning of the week. So I hope this video motivated you, and I also hope that this video gave you guys some ideas on how to use the planner stickers. If you've seen them in your store and you bought them, I hope I give you guys some ideas on how to use them in your planner. And definitely if you have this planner, I hope I gave you guys some ideas on how to use this planner, because I know sometimes this planner can be overwhelming as well, and you might not know how to use the different slots and stuff like that. So I hope the ideas that I shared with you guys today kind of gave you guys some ideas if you guys are stumped. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.